Hey, what's up guys, I am Tech. Welcome to our territory. Samsung has announced the Galaxy Z Flip 5G, a 5G version of its foldable flip phone that's cleared the stage for the Galaxy Z Fold 2 to debut at the August 5 Samsung event alongside the Galaxy Note 20. Samsung sent out a tweet from its official Twitter account teasing the reveal of a folding device. There was also a video showing a copper ball folding out into a butterfly. Now let's talk about the design of a Galaxy Z Fold 2. According to Ice Universe, the Twitter leakster, he shared a Galaxy Z Fold 2 render that illustrates what the phone could like when unfolded. The most interesting thing about the render is the fact it places the punch hole camera cut out of center, instead of being off to the right as in other designs. Geskin also shared the initial design of a Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 2. And it looks like something that Samsung may produce, right down to the mystic bronze color featured in other recent renders for the Galaxy Z Flip 5G and Galaxy Note 20. If the Galaxy Z Fold 2 appears next month, it is pretty safe bet it will look a lot like this. Now let's talk about the display of Galaxy Fold 2. According to Maxwin, the Twitter leaker, he says that the front display on the new device will be Infinity V display, which is the official name Samsung gives its two-water drop notch design. Max also says that the Fold 2 would be a little larger when opened up, measuring 8 inches across. The Korean Tech News also posted the display specification of Galaxy Fold 2 that pointed a 7.7 inches interior display when the phone is opened up. The exterior display is expected to grow to 6.23 inches. This is the same specification that tells by the Rosiang, the founder of a display chain consultant. The Ice Universe also tweeted a blurry photo of the Galaxy Z Fold 2 showing what looks like Samsung official marketing material for the device. The image shows a larger external display and a copper finish. Now let's talk about the camera specification of Galaxy Z Fold 2. The phone reportedly features 10 megapixel selfie cameras on the inside and the outside. The publication claims that the Galaxy Z Fold 2 rear-facing triple camera setup features a 12 megapixel primary camera with a wide-angle lens, a 12 megapixel camera with an ultra-wide-angle lens, and a 64 megapixel telephoto camera. If this information is true, the phone uses the same camera setup that has been used in the Galaxy S20. Now let's talk about the price and availability of a Galaxy Z Fold 2. Recolor leaks the initial price of a Samsung Galaxy Fold 2, that is €2,000 price tag, which converts to roughly $2,260 or about $1,880. While Samsung may adjust prices per market, it would be surprising to see a more advanced Galaxy Fold 2 come in at less than the original Galaxy Fold 2 price. It is tough to say in which countries the company will choose to release the Galaxy Fold 2. However, we had expect the phone to launch in the United States, Europe and the United Kingdoms, since those are the countries in which Samsung released the original Fold. Let me know down the comments below what's your thoughts about the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 2. Thank you for watching. See you next time.